This is Nightline. It's about a whistleblower. I blew the whistle against Governor O'Malley in the prison industry in 2007. I got locked up in the state of Maryland and the state of Illinois, but y'all want to talk about this individual on Nightline Investigations.
My name's Ed Snowden. I'm 29 years old.
Tonight, he is one of the most wanted men in the world. Snowden is the man who said for one of the greatest security breaches in American history, revealing a set of top-secret programs to collect the phone records of millions of Americans and monitor overseas internet traffic.
I, sitting my desk, certainly had the authorities to tap anyone, from you or your accountant to a federal judge to even the president if I had a personal email.
Until he checked out sometime today, Edward Snowden had been holed up in luxury for 3 weeks in Hong Kong at the Mira Hotel, according to employees there. By his own account, every meal came from room service. Pillows were stuffed under the door to prevent eavesdropping. He cloaked his face with a red hood, and he used the codename Virax, Latin for truth teller, to communicate with the Washington Post.
Truth teller is what we need in America, and all I've been doing is telling the truth pertaining to the prison industry. I blew the whistle and it got me locked up in 2 states, and now y'all want to hail this man as a hero.
By revealing the massive secret programs designed as part of the effort against terrorism, Snowden is being praised by some as a hero.
I worked at NSA, I worked at Quantico, I worked for the FBI in Pennsylvania. I'm an asbestos. I did a contract. I was a private contractor.
The president outlined last week that these are important national security programs.
Representative John Boehner got my information.
And give us tools.
Cardin's got it. Mikulski got it. I went through the proper channels to blow the whistle, but nobody did nothing.